The harbour is the ancient hub of world trade. Harbours turn ports into cities, breathe life into trade, and link cultures and peoples. From history's first fishermen to the great German traders of the Hansa era, who brought the modern export economy to Scandinavia, harbours have always needed hands. Once the strong hands of sailors and traders. Today, the advanced technological hands of the crane and spreader. Today, world trade continues to expand as the global efficiency of container handling sustains its dramatic ascent. A few decades ago, it took weeks to unload a cargo ship. Today, it takes hours. From the beginning, just a few companies were at the forefront of this remarkable transition to a containerized global economy. In spreaders, there's one company. Its name is Bromma. Scandinavian Bromma Conquip is headquartered in Stockholm, with subsidiaries in the United States, Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. Research and development, always a major priority, is centered in Sweden. Production in Scandinavia and Asia.
Bromma has today offices in 7 countries, sales agents in 30 nations, and equipment in 97 of the top 100 seaports in the world. We are present in every time zone, in every part of the world. This is something that really sets us apart from our competitors. We need to be close to our customers to understand their challenges and offer real solutions.
A dramatically growing enterprise. Resource-rich Bromma builds in excess of 2,000 spreaders each year, including more than 600 heavy-duty crane spreaders. No competitor even remotely approaches Bromma in terms of container handling experience. In fact, Bromma has more crane spreaders in service today than all its competitors combined. Bromma first made its name in the 1970s, building heavy, very reliable, very durable ship-to-shore and mobile harbour crane spreaders. Today, Bromma is #1 in ship-to-shore spreaders, #1 in mobile harbour crane spreaders, and the #1 name in yard crane spreaders. Bromma continues to lengthen its lead through new productivity solutions such as Bromma Tandem with its Twin 40 and Twin 45 load capabilities, and technology solutions such as Bluetooth-enabled SCS3 with its advanced spreader monitoring and diagnostics for reduced downtime events and shorter downtime events. SCS3 combines all the functionalities you'll find in different numbers of PLCs, loggers, and black boxes. Because it's all incorporated into the same system, you get a key advantage in its robustness. And now Bromma continues to lengthen its market share lead with the new Greenline all-electric family. Greenline all-electrics have lower weight, require less maintenance, and result in lower life cycle costs. Lighter Greenline ship-to-shore and yard all-electrics lower crane power consumption and cut spreader energy consumption by up to 90%. Innovations such as Tandem and the Greenline family are reasons that Bromma is the world leader in spreaders.
I guess the most important reason why Bromma is so successful in Asia is because of the strong interpersonal relationship that we have developed with all our customers here. We have looked into their technical needs, we have looked into their economic needs, we have looked into their development needs. In short, we are working together more as a partner than as a customer and a supplier basis.
Innovation is embedded in everything Bromma does and is linked to a core value: to listen to the customer. Listening well to customers is why Bromma has been responsible for a series of firsts in our industry, such as the first telescopic spreader, the first Twin 20 spreader, the first 45-foot spreader, the first all-electric crane spreader, the first true lightweight spreader, and the first tandem Twin 40 and 45-foot spreaders. Bromma's commitment to listening has resulted in an R&D program uniquely shaped by the customer's point of view. Customer priorities have led to spreaders that are easier to work on, that don't have to be replaced as often, that have a longer mean time between failure, and that can be fixed faster since they're designed for easier fault diagnosis. At Bromma, listening well is the first step to designing well. Bromma factories stand on the strong shoulders of Bromma R&D. We manufacture at factories in Scandinavia and Asia, but where a spreader is built is less important than how it's built. What we seek is plug-and-play quality consistency. Premium materials are part of the story. Intelligent process flow is another part. Bromma's highly successful Malaysian and Scandinavian factories are the product of major capital investment in automated cutting and welding stations that anchor the production process. Bromma people, the exceptional manufacturing cultures of Scandinavia and Asia, ensure attention to detail. You can't really copy a spreader because you can't copy Bromma knowledge and experience. Nor can you copy the subtle advantages created by that experience, like SCS3, that are not off-the-shelf solutions, but purpose-designed. Nor can you easily copy Bromma support, such as spare parts depots worldwide, on-site Bromma University training seminars, and spreader technicians with decades of experience.
Bromma is a strong brand. A brand is a promise. Providing first-class services is part of keeping that promise.
Bromma is a Scandinavian company, serious about our products, serious about our commitments. We've known from the beginning that the trust of customers must be earned. And our customers know all over the world that Bromma doesn't walk away from problems.
Global operators know that Bromma is a serious company. We believe that companies want partners they can depend on. And this is exactly what we offer, a serious, long-term partnership. Innovation isn't an isolated activity. Innovation is collaborative. It's something we do with customers. We listen, we learn, we collaborate in order to develop products customers really want.
And the best, we believe, is yet to come.
These are exciting days to be in container handling, as our industry's center of gravity shifts towards Asia. At the same time, containerization is still young and will continue to develop rapidly in coming years. In these times when reliability is so important, our customers benefit from higher availability and greater transparency in operations. Step by step, we are adding features that make higher level of automation possible. And of course, awareness of why it makes sense to buy green solutions increases every year. Bromma will continue to be the first company in spreaders, to lead through innovation and a strong partnership with our customers.
To prosper and deliver on the promise of continued improvements, companies must grow, just as our industry must grow as it adapts to the changing demands of the 21st century. Cargo volumes are rising, terminal privatization continues, containers track overland from Asia to Europe. More than 10,000 TEU ships are rewriting the rules of yard management. In the end, you place your trust in the hands of companies with values you recognize and respect. The Bromma company culture is a sure-handed culture. Hands you can depend on to help your organization achieve the ambitions you've set for yourself in container handling.